Hello, success seekers. Whether you're 18 or 30-something years old, all I've got to tell you today is success doesn't follow a strict timeline. Ray Kroc was 52 when he first discovered McDonald's and turned it into a global empire. Colonel Sanders didn't franchise KFC until he was 62. Age doesn't determine your capacity for success. Your mindset and actions do. Here's how you can shift your mindset to succeed. 1. Consistency and progress over perfection. If there's one thing I've learned during my 19-year-long life, it's that no one needs to be perfect to succeed. Look around you. No one is perfect, not even successful people. What makes you think they were perfect when they first started? They were just as lost and uncertain as you are now. The truth is, there will be times when you feel lost, even after starting. That's why it's important to have a vision and stay consistent. The most important thing is to keep showing up every single day. 2. The Power of Kaizen. Speaking of showing up, Kaizen is all about small, continuous progress. Think about baby steps. Progress is giving yourself the time to grow step by step. Instead of trying to overhaul your life overnight, Kaizen focuses on small, manageable steps that compound over time to create significant change. Shift your focus. Stop focusing on how late you are and focus instead on what you want to accomplish. Your impact matters more. Ask yourself, what legacy do I want to leave? What does success mean to me personally? How can I use my unique skills and experiences to create value? When you focus on your goals, you open yourself up to new possibilities and allow yourself the freedom to move forward with purpose. 4. The Power of Adaptability. In today's fast-changing world, adaptability is a key skill. The fact that you're questioning late shows that you're self-aware, and self-awareness is the first step toward growth. Here's how to embrace adaptability. 1. Embrace learning. Read books, take courses, or seek mentorship. 2. Be willing to fail. Failure is part of success. Mistakes help you grow, refine your strategies, and become more resilient. Don't let the fear of failure stop you from trying new things. 5. Time is your ally, not your enemy. Think of time as a resource, not a countdown. Time is not your enemy. It's a gift. You have decades ahead of you to build the life you want. Use time as an opportunity to experiment, learn, and grow. It's a marathon, not a sprint. If you consistently make efforts, the results will follow. 6. Build a vision. Visualize your ideal future and break it down into small, actionable steps. Write out specific goals and set a timeline to achieve them. Remember, it's okay if the route changes along the way. Just keep moving forward. 7. Surround yourself with support. Surround yourself with people who encourage your growth and have a similar mindset or goals. Having the right support will help you stay motivated. Learn from others. Push through tough times. Remember, if your circle isn't good enough, you're not going to be that good.